Okay, so in the previous video we looked at expanding binomials. In this video we want to look at the opposite procedure, which is factorizing binomials. So let's consider the first example. Factorize x squared minus 5x plus 6. So the idea is to look for two numbers that multiply to get 6 but add to get negative 5. So maybe two numbers that multiply to get 6 could be 6 and 1, but if we add 6 and 1 we get 7, which is not minus 5. Another pair of numbers that could be used could be 2 and 3. They multiply to get 6, but they add to get 5. So maybe we're getting closer here. We got 5, so maybe a better choice could be minus 2 and minus 3. These will multiply to get 6 because when you multiply negatives they cancel, and they'll add to get minus 5. So what we'll have is x minus 3 and x minus 2. Let's check using our knowledge from the previous video that this is indeed what we want. So we expand, we get x squared minus 2x minus 3x and then plus 6, which is x squared minus 5x plus 6, which is what we want. Okay, let's look at another example. Here we have factorize x squared minus 9. So we want two numbers that multiply to get minus 9 but add to 0. See, there's no x term in this one. We want the terms to add to get the x term. So two numbers that add to 0, so we want to probably consider a number and it's negative, and two numbers that multiply to get minus 9, I'm going to try 3 and minus 3. If we do that, let's see what we get. So I get x minus 3, x plus 3. I'll expand this out. I'll get x squared plus 3x minus 3x and then minus 9. Okay, these like terms cancel and I get x squared minus 9, which is what I want. Okay, for our final example, let's look at x squared plus 2x plus 1. So we want two numbers that multiply to 1 but add to 2, and it's pretty simple, I think. We'll take 1 and 1. So we'll have x plus 1 times x plus 1. If we want to check this, we expand, we'll get x squared plus x again, and then plus 1. So we have x squared plus 2x plus 1. And that's it. Again, be sure to check the video description for the tutorial notes and also the cheat notes if you want fully worked solutions and the answers. If you liked this video, be sure to hit the like button, and if you want more content like this, be sure to hit the subscribe button. Thanks guys, I'll see you soon.